Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Rhonda.
And we're with The Color of Marriage. We're marriage replenishment specialists, and we help couples fix and strengthen the broken and weak areas of their marriages and relationships. We use biblical principles, concepts, and resources to help our clients.
We also help couples understand and live out God's plan for marriage, because every couple should be able to experience a great marriage.
Now, to sum it all up, we want to help you move your marriage to greatness. This is our signature program that we take all of our couples through who want long-term results instead of short-term results.
To get started, go to our website, www.thecolorofmarriage.com. Schedule a courtesy telephone consultation with Joe today.
The purpose of this call is to find out what's going on in your marriage or relationship, answer any questions that you might have, and then schedule the first session so that we can get started with helping you resolve the conflicts and challenges that you're having right now.
By the way, if you are confident that you want to work with us right now, you can go to our website, www.thecolorofmarriage.com, and schedule your 90-minute foundational discovery session, where we will find out what's going on in the marriage, give you some feedback to help you get started, and talk about what needs to happen from there. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.